Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to connect your Hostinger domain to your Wix website. If you've secured a great domain deal on Hostinger but prefer the Wix design experience, these steps relate perfectly to each other to get your site live on your custom URL. First, you need to start the process in your Wix dashboard. Go to the Domains page and click Add an existing domain, then choose Connect a domain you already own. Enter your Hostinger domain name and click Let's Go. Wix will analyze your domain and provide you with two specific name servers. They usually look like ns1.wixdns.net and ns2.wixdns.net. Keep this tab open because you'll need those addresses for the next step. Next, you need to head over to your Hostinger hPanel. Log in, go to the Domain section, and select the domain you want to connect. Look for the DNS/Name Servers menu on the left sidebar. Click on the Name Servers tab and change Name Servers and replace Hostinger's default servers with the two Wix addresses you just copied. This tells the global internet that Wix is now in charge of where your domain points. The final connected step is verification and propagation. Go back to your Wix tab and click Verify Connection. Wix will then check to see if the Hostinger settings have updated. It's important to remember that DNS changes can take anywhere from a few hours to 48 hours to fully propagate across the web. During this time, your site might not show up immediately, but once the process is complete, Wix will automatically issue your SSL certificate to make your site secure. That is literally it. If this guide helped you bridge the gap between Hostinger and Wix, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if your domain is taking longer than 48 hours to connect, and I will see you in the next one.